What's going on, guys? I'm going over today's trade recap. Today is February 26th, Monday. A couple trades to go over here. I'm going to hop right into it as always. The first one being in CLSK, and this thing absolutely mooned today. So we were positioned for a couple days on this name. We entered initially on Tuesday, and then on Thursday, we actually decided to close what we had at break even, get a little bit closer to the money, buy ourselves an extra week of time, and then that really paid off. We had an inside bar Friday, and then today absolutely went crazy. I mean, there's really not much analysis or really not much to say. We entered this trade. I think, in my opinion, managed it perfectly. We rolled when we kind of had. We didn't have to, but rolled at a good time, in my opinion. And so now we kind of cracked our first two main targets, which were like this 18.6 and then this like 19.25. And we hit our second big one around like 20.5, I believe. And so now the next target up ahead is $23. And now looking at the daily chart, over this $23 area, we really have nothing up towards 30. So we'll see what happens. Another reason we entered this trade was because of the Bitcoin daily chart. The Bitcoin daily chart was going sideways for about 10 days, and we finally got that nice move here today. And now it seems like it's going even more in the after hours here. So we'll see what happens tomorrow with our runners. Next trade, it was in here in Hood. And so we entered Hood. I wanted to see an hourly close over that 15.1, which we got. Right, and then we broke the highs from the morning. So I entered the trade somewhere around here on the first 8 EMA tests, retest around 15.3 after we broke these highs. So I said, okay, once we break these highs, first 8 EMA retest, boom. And we were able to kind of, even though there were next week contracts at 15 and a halves, we were able to actually get a 30% trim off today. And so we'll see what happens overnight, right? A crazy scenario, we gapped over 16.2. We have tons of upside room in this Hood. So we'll see what happens, and if we do gap over, maybe we can buy ourselves some more time or roll them or whatever it may be to catch a bigger portion of the move. We'll see what kind of happens tomorrow. A couple of these names, CLSK and Hood, and then we'll kind of play it by ear. Last trade I want to talk about is this RTY. So I entered the trade here at 2030.1, and we had 4 points profit right here, this 2034.8. That's where my take profit was, and we were up 4 points exactly, and then I just figured we would get there, and then sure enough we didn't. Right, and we got stopped out at break even. So for those who did take the early trim at 4 points, that's $200 a contract, and then for those who did not, like me, then we got stopped out at break even. So nothing really crazy in here, and we'll see what happens. Any type of gap or open tomorrow above 2036s, basically today's highs, I'm going to long this thing up towards these 2057s. So that's all I got for today. Really good day, and I'll catch you.